Okay guys, welcome back. We're making black powder today. I'm sorry I've not been making videos. So we'll need 3 ingredients. Potassium nitrate, 75% potassium nitrate, which is a stump remover. 10% sulfur, which is a fungicide, so it gets rid of fungus, and 15% charcoal, which is just charcoal. So we're gonna be mixing them together. That's all we're gonna do today. Literally mix some ingredients together. It's better to have powdered potassium nitrate, but I only get granulated, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just mix them together. And then I poured a little too much. You need a little bit, so there we go, that should be good. And let me get a lid. My lid. Did not find a lid, so we're gonna mix it with a screwdriver. And then literally you just mix it all up. So it's nice and mixed. Bring this over here. That was a lot. Okay, let's test it, see if it works. Definitely need some more. Definitely needs a lot more potassium nitrate. I think I was off with my mixture of potassium nitrate, so I just need to get some more. Just adding a ton. Potassium nitrate is an oxidizer. This is actually what helps it burn and turn into black powder. Look at that, it worked. That worked really well, actually. Hey, look at that. Also, look at that. That's a chunk of potassium nitrate, it looks like. And it ate the wood. It literally oxidized the wood, too. Yeah. It made a hole in the wood. That's cool. So that worked already, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry it's a very short video. But yeah, thank you for watching.